parking lights we come to, we're turning right. It's not the crossing, it's the main set down near the red bus.
Yeah.
Alright?
Over the bridge.
Yeah. Yeah, good shout. Good shout, yeah. Well, it's good, you may as well, mightn't you? What's the space like though? What's this one doing? So more than just one thing.
Yeah.
No, you don't need to steer left. Look in your right mirror, mate. Trust that position. Have we got room to even go round?
Yeah.
Good. Good. Make sure the crossing's not an issue. Be careful. There you go. And that's the reason why. Don't go past. Stop.
Yeah.
And that's exactly why.
Yeah.
If you're happy now, off we go. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So you should never overtake the lead vehicle at a pedestrian crossing, even if it's in that situation on green. And that's exactly why.
Yeah.
Fab. Great job, mate. Well done.
That's actually kind of perfect, that one as well. Could be any more like
Psychic.